Hi everyone, welcome back to Rihanna's Kitchen Corner. Today's video, I'm going to make viral Dubai chocolate bar inspired pistachio kunafa chocolate cake. Pistachio kunafa chocolate cake is an innovative dish that combines the softness of chocolate cake with the crunchiness of kunafa. Every single bite is so gooey but also crispy with the nutty, creamy flavor. I made this dessert for our anniversary. You can make this for any special occasion. We have to prepare the cake. I'm adding 1 egg, biscuit well, add half cup of sugar, oil half cup, give it a whisk, add 3/4 cup of milk and blend it well. Now you can add the dry ingredients: all-purpose flour 1 cup, cocoa powder 3 tablespoons, baking soda 1 teaspoon and a pinch of salt. Sieve it well. Mix it well until everything combines together. Grease the cake pan with oil and you can pour the cake batter and bake it in the preheated oven 350 Fahrenheit for 20 to 22 minutes. For this recipe, we need Kataifi shredded pastry dough. I'm going to use the half of the packet. You can finely chop the Kataifi or pastry dough with a knife or food processor. In a large pan, you can melt the butter and you can add the shredded Kataifi and toast until golden and crispy. It takes around 10 minutes. Keep stirring until golden brown. Toast on low to medium heat for about 10 minutes until it's golden and crispy. Once it's ready, you can turn off the heat and let it cool completely. Then you can add the pistachio paste, chopped pistachios and tahini. This gives the chocolate cake an amazing flavor but also such a good texture. It's just so crispy but also creamy at the same time. Mix it well until everything combines together. Now the cake is ready. You can poke some holes with a skewer and you can soak the cake with half cup of milk while it's hot. Now the cake is soaked completely, and now you can layer the pistachio kunafa filling over the chocolate cake. You can press it with a spatula evenly. Now we have to prepare the chocolate ganache. Heat heavy cream in a saucepan over medium heat until the bubbles appears on the edge of the saucepan, and then you can add the chocolate chips and let it sit for like 3 minutes until the chocolate is melted, and stir until well combined, and let it cool. And you need to use high quality chocolate that will give a richer and deeper taste to the dish. You can pour the chocolate ganache over the pistachio kunafa layer. Finally, you can garnish with some drizzle of pistachio butter and make a pattern. Garnish with some chopped pistachios and refrigerate it for like 1 hour or until the ganache is hardened. Hope you will try this at home and let me know your feedback. I will leave the detailed recipe in the description box. Once it's ready, you can slice and enjoy the cake. Just a suggestion, just before serving, you can just warm up for 10 to 15 seconds in the microwave. That will give a very delicious pistachio kunafa chocolate cake. Thanks for watching everyone. Hope you like this video. I'll see you soon back with another one. Bye. Take care.